Please, Your Lordship. Yesterday, I have filed one writ appeal, my lord. That may be come up on Monday, my lord.
What have you filed?
Writ appeal, my lord.
Monday.
Monday, my lord. Must have. May I please, Your Lordship? First of all, date to mention item number 39. So hearing this today, Lordship.
39.
39. Lordship, I am for the respondent. I have taken the consent of the advocate for the petitioner also. What happened, Lordship? My client was suffering from mental illness in the month of June. Therefore, I am unable to take any instruction about his health, Lordship.
It is only limited to permanent alimony.
Lordship.
It is only limited to permanent alimony.
Lordship.
Anyway.
May I pray for listing the matter immediately after vacation, Lordship?
Okay. Attorney.
Lordship, item number 2, 3, 4, and 5 is an income tax matter. I am awaiting instruction. Lordship may be taken out next week.
Not next week, now January. Next.
Lordship.
May it please your lordship. Item number 20.
You have informed the other side, Mr. Kyle.
Item number 22, Miller. You're not pressing the matter.
Yes.
Item number 22. We're not pressing the matter.
You are not pressing.
Madam.
You got the prayer in another name?
Not at all, Miller. The concern has been included in a vice versa. Therefore, it's not.
You seem to have got some fisheries somewhere else.
No, it's not.
Next.
Right.
Item number 29, my lord. So taken consent from the other side, my lord. The matter may be taken after vacation, my lord.
No, but looking to the affidavit, now what remains in the matter?
But
They
today,
have filed the affidavit that they want to withdraw the notice of no confidence motion. What remains in the matter now?
today my senior is of difficulties. So
We don't have any difficulty.
you take your instructions, you pass it over for the typing.
There is nothing now. You must have read the affidavit as we have read.
Okay.
When is your senior available?
Today is of difficulty.
No. Therefore, we are asking when is he available?
Next week,
Next week. Next week.
always.
May I please, my lord? My lord, I am praying for listing of a read appeal, my lord. Can it be listed on Monday, my lord?
Admission.
Yes, my lord.
What is the urgency?
My urgency is that, my lord, in the writ petition, my lord, there was a direction to pay to the petitioner a higher scale within 2 months.
But when was the direction issued?
My lord, actually, we have passed the time that within 2 months, we have actually crossed that. That is why, my lord.
Then it will,
Sorry, my lord. My lord, on Monday, my lord,
no, contempt is filed.
contempt is still not filed.
Then January. Next.
It will be
All right.
recommend the item of 40 minutes. Due to some personal difficulty of the senior counsel, may it be please listed on next week, Miller. Due to some personal difficulty. We have taken a consent from the other side.
Next. Yes.
With the concern of the other side, my lord, I'd like to mention item number 49, my lord. There is some development, my lord. May I pray that this matter be taken up after vacation, my
You are being taken back in service.
lord?
Are you going to be taken back in service?
My lord, they said they may consider the, they may comply with the order of the learned Singh agent, I'm told.
May I please, the Lordship? I beg to mention item number 25 of the daily list. Lordship, it may be possible for the day.
25.
Yes, Lordship.
Await service for respond number 4 to be listed on 30th of January. R4 is not served in that matter. Next.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20. Due to personal difficulties of the engaged counsel, I pray the matter be urgent for the day, Your Lordship.
When do you want?
After vacation, Your Lordship.
Next.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 10, Lordship. A engaged counsel has gone to Delhi, Lordship. After vacation, Lordship. It may come after vacation. Item 10.
Next.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 26, Lordship. In this case, today I am going to file Wakalatnama, Lordship. And matter will be taken up after vacation.
Next. Have you informed the other side?
Lordship, I have taken up.
May I please, Your Lordship? With due consent of the respondent, I beg to mention admission item 11.
We require 4 weeks time to file our affidavit, my lord.
The opposition is not there. Next,
Mr. Blake.
you have informed Mr. Chaudhary,
My lord.
you have informed the other side.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I would like to mention item number 30. This matter may kindly be taken on Monday. An affidavit is to be brought on record, my lord. In the meantime, I'll file it.
Serial number 13.
One thing.
They are supposed to file the affidavit, my lord. The 4 times, my lord, they have taken.
That is
Monday.
what we were to tell him, now you are telling him. When do we want?
My lord, on lordship, may take up it on Monday. My lord, by Friday, Saturday, I will file. Before the
Monday.
Last chance.
Monday.
Monday.
May I please, your lordship, with the consent of the other parties, I beg to mention item number 41 of the hearing, daily list. Kindly the matter to be adjourned for today and fixed after vacation.
41.
Yes, my lord.
Next,
My please, your lordship. Lordship, with the concern of the other side, I beg to mention item number 45 of today's list.
yes,
Lordship, my senior is out of station, so kindly may I brief for taking up the matter after vacation. Lordship.
yes, Mr. Majmudar. 45, he is mentioning 45.
I'm telling you, I'm in 47. not-
Yes,
May it pleases your lordship. Lordship, with due consent, I beg to mention item number 1, your lordship. Lordship, today my senior has got some personal difficulty, your lordship. Lordship, the matter may be posted next week, your lordship.
Mr. Kyle, it is a covered issue.
In this case, what happened, the tribunal has no power to condone the delay.
No, but there is a division bench judgment here, they are delaying.
Is there, lordship.
We'll pass similar order.
Not.
You be here.
Not-
Your senior is not required.
Lord,
Well, with the concern of the petition, I would like to mention item 36 and 37. My lord,
Item
the
number?
36 and 37. My lord, the matter may be fixed after vacation.
Mr. Pathak is there.
My lord, I'm praying on behalf of Mr. P.N. Goswami. He's out of station.
No, where is Mr. Pathak? Same time. Next,
May it please, my lords, with the consent of the counsel for a petitioner, I beg to mention item number 38, my lord. In this matter, my lord, your lordships have directed the forest department to file an up-to-date report. We have written to the department, my lord. However, we are still awaiting the report. May I pray that the matter will be taken up in the first week of January, my lord. Till then, we'll have the report.
Lordship, actually, in this matter, a committee was there, committee was not by your lord. But the fact is that lordship, the committee, were the members of, most of them have declared lord. The committee, it has taken the most time to, provide the report.
you on vacate. You on vacate. Pull out. Pull out.
Matter number 50 of supplementary list for motion.
please, your lordship.
Go to gate and file appropriate IA.
Lordship, IA is filed for vacating of the interim order, lordship. It is not considered and the tribunal has proceeded with the contempt proceeding, lordship.
Maybe.
And
We are not going to interfere with this.
lordship, at this lordship, the contempt proceeding may be
IA is pending.
pending, lordship. It is
Then
not
we'll
considered.
direct the tribunal to decide the IA.
Lordship.
Called Miss R. Devi, PTC, for the petitioner. By way of this petition under Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution of India. The petitioner has challenged the order dated so and so passed by Central Administrative Tribunal. It applies, it appears from the fair treaty of the order impedes It is same was passed, pay account C9/2021.
Yeah.
And the present appeal is filed only because the contempt is filed. Ms. R. Devi Learned CTC informed that the petitioner has already filed an IA for vacation of the interim. In light of the aforesaid, no interference is called for. The Central Administrative Tribunal Court is directed to hear the IA and dispose of the same within a period of 4 weeks from the date of the receipt of this order, without being influenced by the fact that the present petition is not entered. Next.
Item number 51.
Yes, Mr. Chair,
My lord, here in this case, my lord, what happened?
what are you challenging?
The Punjab National Bank, my lord,
What are you challenging?
my lord, my challenge.
Huh.
My challenge, my lord, your lordship will turn to page 160.
No, you look to your prayers at page 10, para 22. Page 10, para 22. You are challenging the surfacing notices.
My lord, the notice as well as the promulgation of ceremony.
Therefore, you go to the DRT.
Yeah.
Go to DRT.
My lord,
Go to DRT. There is a recent judgment of the
my
appeal
lord,
court.
in that case, my lord, case is fixed on 20 and this auction is fixed on 16.
That
So, my
you,
lord,
you tell everything to DRT. This is the
My lord,
latest.
my lord, in the meantime, my lord, tomorrow is the 16, my lord.
Maybe.
In the meantime, my lord, some protection may be given,
No, nothing.
my lord.
We'll just quote para 37 of this judgment. Lapavai, hold Mr.
No, my lord, if in the 116, my lord, everything will be over, my lord,
You face the consequence.
my lord.
Face
So, my
the
lord,
consequence.
at least for 2 days, my lord,
Not even for a minute. Go to CAT. It is just on the Kamrup metro area.
Hello.
Go there. Hold Mr. Sheikh.
no, my lord, auction is fixed on 16, my lord,
Maybe.
tomorrow.
Therefore, you can go tomorrow. It's just that you unnecessarily consume 4 days here.
By tomorrow, my lord, auction will be done.
Maybe.
My lord, it is completely illegal, my lord. They approach their
Then you
DRT.
tell CAT. we
In
are
the
not
meantime, my lord,
hold
they have
Mr.
issued
MSF
notice.
For the
My lord, this is
petitioner.
clear
This
violation of
petition
section
under
13, my lord, 13(2). My lord, they have come before you, come before the DRT under section 19,
Why have you not approached the DRT?
my lord,
Why have you not gone there?
my lord.
Why don't you go there?
Considering the fact that you are
DRT.
taking
If the DRT refuses,
What is-
we are here.
what is challenged because this court are the proceedings under section.
My lord, at
30.
least, my lord, 1-2 days may be
40.
protected, my lord. My lord, otherwise 16 on 16, it will go, my lord.
Against which the present petition is filed. Petitioner has got an efficacious remedy by way of a secularization appeal as provided under section 17 of the Surface Act 2000. And no extraordinary circumstance arise in this matter which warrants interference by this court in exercise of its jurisdiction under Article 226, even though there is even though without exhausting the alternative remedy. We are fortified in our view by the recent judgment of the apex court in the case of Parimurthu Reddy versus so-and-so, civil appeal number 8470/2022, stated so-and-so, wherein the Honorable Apex Court has observed thus, para 32 onwards. Para 32, 33. Oh, 40 paragraph. And 34 also. Mr. Sheikh, counsel appearing for the appellant also submitted that the auction is scheduled tomorrow, and therefore protection of 2 days may be granted. it clearly appears that the petitioner has approached this court by way of this petition under Article 226 only with a motive to total the recovery which is being made by the bank from its borrower. No interference is called for, the petition is dismissed. However, there shall be no order as to cause. It's dismissed with the aforesaid legal. Next. Chalo, next.
Oblige your lordship.
Item number 1 of daily list.
There is a division bench order which is annexed.
Yes, Lordship, one order has been annexed.
Is it similar?
Lordship, the facts are similar. Their appeal was dismissed on the ground of delay because tribunal has no power to condone the delay beyond 3 months, Lord. As per section 34B, close sub clause 3 of Central Executive.
But this judgment, this order, is a reference of an earlier order by the state.
Not.
Condoning.
Sarvopari.
That has not been made. That appeal has been listed today for hearing, final hearing.
Sarvopari.
Sarvopari. In that case also, there was a delay in preparing the appeal.
That was condoned.
Condemned. So tribunal has no authority to condone the delay beyond 3 months.
Because what is the provision, you read page 79 or rather 80. The appeal was filed by the appellant on 14/10/2019 must be on the statutory period of 60 days and also containable period of 30 days as provided under section 35(1) of the Central Excise. Now there is a judgment of the Supreme Court which takes a contrary view. Therefore, this division bench will not be applicable.
No, sir.
You bring that judgment, Mr. Kyle.
Okay.
There is a recent judgment of 2020 or 19.
Yes, Lordship, there are two judges.
Two judgments are there. Where the Honorable Apex Court has taken a view that if it is 60 days and 30 days, then the power of limitation has to be exercised within 90 days.
Lordship.
For example. Then under 226, it can be done. You look into those judgments.
And Lordship, this is statutory appeal. That time.
Statutory appeal.
Lordship, Lordship may fix on Monday.
Monday.
No.
Because that judgment would not be applicable. Since the judgment which is relied upon by them.
I'll produce.
So my brother is the author of the judgment.
No.
Sorry, he was part of the judgment.
Item number 6.
May I please the lordship, my lord? This appeal, my lord, is prepared under section 19, my lord.
It is only for the permanent alimony.
Yes, my lord, because permanent, quantum of the permanent element was passed, my lord, without any intimation, without any prayer from us, my lord. No, even verbally.
No, but permanent alimony can be granted even without prayer.
No, without prayer. There was no prayer made for
No, but
permanent.
can it not be granted under section 25?
No, it can be granted, but
Okay.
amount of my lord, the quantum is quite on the lower side, my lord. Because I have 2 daughters, my lord. Petitioner, these appellant has 2 daughters also, my lord. They are unmarried, my lord. And he did not pay maintenance for last many months. 30,000 maintenance is also pending. Monthly maintenance, my lord.
Now what is granted? 3,50,000.
Yes, my lord, 3,50,000.
You want 35 lakhs?
No, of course not, my lord.
Then
But since
what do you want?
petitioner with 2 daughters, appellant with 2 daughters, my lord.
This appeal under section 19 is just a just as if it is a suit under order 37 rule 1 2 of the.
Yes. Here,
What
my
else?
lord, Only thing, my lord,
Because
the
that-
my lord, copy of the appeal, my lord, has not been given to me
that-
on the last occasion.
You
I
don't
don't
need a
know what is there in the appeal, my lord.
You don't need a copy, you know the judgment.
Yes, my lord, I know the judgment, but even then, my lord, I pray some time for filing a reply, my lord. Because,
You know, reply में क्या, there is no
Look,
need of.
there are-
reply in the
my lord, there are facts, my lord, which are to be placed, although those facts were there before, but
Agree for some reasonable amount and finish off this.
I'll,
You
I'll
are for
instruct-
the husband, isn't it?
yes, my lord.
So I need not tell you anything more.
I'll instruct my client. And I'll also discuss with my senior friend.
Do you want to go for mediation?
Yes. Lordship, yes, it could, something might come out, my lord, from maybe.
Go for mediation.
Yes, my lord.
He is not here for divorce.
Yes, my lord, and one,
Because your appeal is not there.
my appeal is not there.
So you accepted the divorce.
Yes, my lord.
Therefore,
One attempt, my lord, I
Yes,
think it will be beneficial.
Since,
mediation का order. The learned advocate is appealing for the party self before the Gujarat High Court mediation center on. Sorry, Poverty High Court. Now time has come for me to go. Poverty High Court. Mediation center on 20 December 2020. The matter be listed again for on. When do you want?
January, my lord.
January, because it won't be possible.
Exactly, my lord. Any date in the month of January.
You tell us, 30th January,
Lordship.
so the learned, because vacation.
Yes, my lord. No problem.
30th January.
All right, my lord. I'll do it.
Matter number 7.
There is Mr. Nair today.
Is on election code number 19, lordship. So, lordship, I kindly pass over the matter for the time being, lordship.
So we intend to admit this appeal. Admit for hearing. It is covered against you by a Supreme Court recent judgment. See, learned single judge is not an appellate authority on the inquiry report. That's the ratio. Next. Parameter of interference is very less. Next.
Matter number 8 and 9.
So and so wave. What's your name? You are Mr. MP Sharma? Huh?
Yes, lordship.
Mr. MP Sharma waits for the response. Next. Yes, what is?
Lordship, no instruction yet.
Lordship, in fact, I have taken it up with the ministry and they had also written a letter to
I
the.
think we may keep it in January. We may have a better option.
Lordship.
Not evening, Lordship.
We can request the Chief Justice of J&K to.
That is what I was.
23rd.
Lordship,
Next.
Lordship, I am for item number 9, your
Yes,
Lordship.
sir. Every time you have to say that.
Lordship,
Every time you have to tell me that. I am aware about it. If
Lordship,
instructions don't come, what can we do?
Lordship, my case is that if your Lordship peruse the order dated 31/3/2022, your Lordship, this by the order of this court, your Lordship, we were given the opportunity through video conference to appear before the UNHCR. Hereafter, UNHCR has issued refugee cards to us. Now, only if the government, your Lordship, facilitate our journey to the UNHCR, that would have served our purpose.
Let it be with only this matter. 23rd of January. Next.
Matter number 12.
No, 12 is already mentioned. Huh? 11 is mentioned. Opposition was to be filed.
Wait, please, lordship.
Which is your item number?
Item 12. 12, lordship.
You have not filed the affidavit.
Lordship, our affidavit in page 46, Lordship, is Affidavit is there in the single bench, but the stand is similar also.
Okay.
46 Lordship.
Yes,
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I am agreed by the paragraph number 49, Lordship, page 112, Lordship.
Hmm.
So I have filed the appeal, Lordship. Is in Ladat Singular. Lordship, kindly see page number 112, Lordship, paragraph number 49.
Hmm.
What has been noticed by this court in the present case is that though admittedly there is a change in the marking pattern from the office memorandum existing at the time of publication of the advertisement and the new office memorandum which came in the operation at the time of the interview, this change is only of reduction doing it with the marks to be given in the viva voce. This court finds force in the submission made by the departmental council that such change has been brought to remove the scope of bias and nepotism and to make the selection process more transparent and fair. This court is of the view that apart from the fact that no prejudice whatsoever would be suffered by the petitioner, this said change would be in the interest of the public servant and to ensure in the sense of trust in the selection process, which is wholly in objective basis.
what is wrong in it?
Lordship, my wrong is that, Lordship, I will be prejudiced, Lordship. Here, learned single judge has said, then I will not be prejudiced. In my affidavit in reply, Lordship, I have categorically stated that I will be prejudiced. Because earlier office member not only marking of the 5 marks, Lordship, from the matriculation to PhD, Lordship, every marks has been changed. Therefore, I sense that if I am at 20, I have passed 20 years ago in matriculation exam, and 22 new office memorandum has been come. So,
Nobody new memorandum.
Lordship.
Only the viva voce marks were given up.
No, Lordship. If it is the admitted position that I have no case, Lordship, but not only viva voce, Lordship.
Let us go to the memorandum.
Lordship. Lordship can see I am page number 61, Lordship. I have given complaint, Lordship.
Page 61 is part of their affidavit. sir.
Yes, my affidavit in reply in single bench, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, ACLC.
Hmm.
Lordship, in 2000 office memorandum to 10, Lordship. It is similar in 20. Lordship, I have no complaint. But Lordship, in higher secondary, DSC 13
Hmm.
marks was. In 2020, it has been upgraded 14. Lordship. Then Lordship, BA 22. Then it is 2020-25. MA 25 was earlier there, and it is 30. Marks has been gradually changed. Lordship, how can I compete with this? And Lordship, kindly see another thing, Lordship.
Mr. Gogai,
Lordship,
I don't think that learned single judge has considered this aspect.
Lordship, this aspect was considered also because of
Where do we find in the judgment?
Lordship here also in recently apex court also Lordship that is
Don't go to,
Lordship.
we are on consideration by the learned.
Learned single judge Lordship, the basic issue is
Admit for hearing.
Lordship.
Lordship, my prayer is that the post has not been filled up to date. If Lordship, this 10 years has been serving Lordship in a non-sanctioned post.
Next.
Rest let us moving.
Matter number 14.
Who appears for the state in this?
And the last occasion, Lordship wanted to know the view of the revenue department on
Right.
payment of interest.
Madam, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Chaudhary, standing counsel PWD, my lord. My lord, we have communicated with the department, my lord, we are waiting instructions, my lord. I pray for 2 weeks' time to file an affidavit.
Next. At the request of Ms.
Matter number 15.
Opposite. Next. Serial number together.
All these matters are together. There are few cases. Mr. M.K. Chaudhary is appearing. I am also appearing in
16 and
item
17.
16.
15, 16 and 17.
Yes, my lord.
You appear for the department?
Yes, Lordship.
I need some time. I will file it. Appear on record. Next.
Affidavit, my lord, already it is on record.
Next.
My lord will fix a date, my lord.
Mr. Das, the system in Assam and Mizoram are different. You have Kalita, they don't have Kalita. Next.
Matter number 18.
Matter is lost. My lord, by the informed judgment, lordship, the appointment of the my lord appellant has been set aside, lordship. Now the post is, my lord, reserved for HC candidates, lordship. And the selection committee, as per guidelines, lordship, as per guidelines, my lord, selected the petitioner, my lord, appellant, my lord, as a candidate from the HC candidate, lordship. But
But you were not heard. That is the main aspect.
sorry, lordship.
You were not heard.
Yes, lordship.
Who appears for the respondent?
Yes,
You
My
take,
lord,
take
please.
instruction.
there was no reservation, my lord, in advertisement.
No, but hearing has to be given.
You are for the private respondent.
Yes, I'm
Who is for the government?
Who is for the government?
government, my lord.
Anganwadi.
Social welfare department, lordship.
Social welfare.
He would be appearing.
Who appeared before the learned single judge?
Mr. Goswami, who was, Mr. Goswami was there.
Because Ms. Bhattacharya ji,
Lordship.
the facts are this. Facts are thus that
Lordship.
he filed a review against order of review, he has filed this writ of.
Lordship.
He filed an affidavit, but the advocate did not remain present,
Yes, Lord.
which has resulted into this proceeding.
Sure.
Now, whether it is listed for 13 occasions or 35 occasions, the fact remains that no wakalatnama was there
Yes, Lord.
and they have not been heard. So effectively, they should get an opportunity of being heard. So if you agree, we may remand back the
Lordship, may
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord. Here, my lord, what is happened, my lord? Another colleague, my lord, of my learned friend was appearing there, my lord. Her name reflected, my lord. And she
These are her
also filed affidavit in opposition also. my lord.
That we have seen, para 6,
Yes, my
the
lord.
judgment.
But she was, my lord, absent, my lord.
But the fact remains that at the most we may impose some cost upon to be paid to you. We'll pass that order. Cost of 5,000 rupees to be paid to the petitioner.
Lordship. How like that?
Next. This was the next.
Letter number 19.
How many occasion time?
Lordship,
Till date, no affidavit.
no, Lordship, today we have affidavit is ready, Your Lordship. We have sent it for signing and waiting today, Your Lordship. So by tomorrow, Lordship morning, we'll be filing it, Your Lordship. We have already ready it.
Who's filing the affidavit?
Your Lordship, the respondent number 2, Your Lordship, the General Administration Department. We have sent it for signing. Actually, Your Lordship,
State government, so and so learned council appearing for this phone number 2. That the affidavit shall be filed by tomorrow.
tomorrow.
On condition that the affidavit shall be filed latest by 19th of December. Section 2, 23rd of January. Next.
DPF, right?
Reply if any be filed by the petitioner meanwhile.
Right.
Highly obliged.
No, follow out. इसमें माली पद्धत में तो आएगा तब होगा. तो it's
Letter number 21.
Mr. Das, the report has come.
On that day, we visited with entire team, my lord. The
I was told that PRO is going to file some report.
IIT is going to file some.
IIT.
IIT is going to file some report and they are ready to review the entire thing, my lord. A week's time they have sought, my lord. Some calculation has to be done,
We'll keep it on next Thursday.
my lord. That will be better.
Next.
Much obliged.
Letter number 23.
Uh, This we intend to keep it on Monday. We have seen the chart prepared by Mr. S.K. Das.
But the
Chart he has prepared. You and Mr. Kalita and Mr. Goswami both may go through that chart.
my lord,
If any addition is to be made, you tell us by 2 o'clock.
Sure.
We'll assemble again for this matter at 2 o'clock.
Lord. Okay,
Otherwise, we intend to pass a order on that behalf and then keep it on 2nd of January.
my lord.
But you please, if you want to add anything, he has prepared it. I have myself read it. In fact, I was to keep the order ready, but then I thought that we may get some input from you also. So I will use weekend for drafting the order. We'll keep it ready on Monday and we'll take up on Monday. We'll show you the order on Monday.
Sure.
But we'll keep the matter on 2nd of January. So
Sure.
at least one more order can be passed by me.
If something is.
If something is to be done. Otherwise, you have a look at it. Here, lucidly, I would put it that
Okay.
because this is not going to be over. This we will keep it pending on. We intend to say that this requires monitoring, constant monitoring every fortnight.
Sure.
Then it will serve the purpose. All of you have done something at almost oral instructions from the court. Almost oral. And we have achieved something, let us achieve something more.
Yes.
So you please, we meet again at 2 o'clock,
My lord.
just to know if any input you want to put in additional.
Sure.
2 o'clock.
If I have-
Next,
Much obliged.
you give the copies, Mr. Das, if
Yes.
you are not given.
Yes.
Should I get it Xerox for all of you? You get it Xerox and give it to everybody.
Much obliged.
Next,
Row number 24.
yes, Mr. Bora,
My lord,
your tender has reached Steve Sagar or it is still at Government?
no, my lord, the consultancy firm has already, my lord, given the deadline to prepare the DPR by 31st of December, then work will be start. And duration of completion of work,
At
my
the
lord, 6
request of
months.
Mr. Bora, extend to 4th of January. Next. I will not leave you before I go.
I am DPR.
Row number 27.
This has to be done. Serial number? That records were called for. Majmudar. Have you brought the record?
Yes, Lordship. And the inspector of excise. is also present. Okay, good.
You do one thing, mark the record and give it to us.
Yes.
Oh. We'll look into it, we'll show it to you also.
Lordship.
We are keeping it on Tuesday.
Lordship.
Next.
Obliged.
Row number 28.
Okay. Like that.
This matter will require some amount of hearing. Perhaps your lordship may like to admit it for hearing.
No, but if they want to file reply, then they may file reply. Your affidavit of university is there.
No one seems to be appearing to them.
You appear for the university?
Yes.
Salio. He has not come.
Or your lordship may allow them some time to file a reply.
They're not. Anyway. He'll earn counsel for the appellant is absent. However, if the Mizoram University has filed its opposition, reply if any be filed by the next date of hearing, extend to 30th of January. Next.
Row number 30.
Passport. Passport.
Row number 31.
Yes, Mr. Nath. Yes, Mr. Nath, what are your instructions?
My lord, I have received the instructions. They have considered.
Yesterday, when we were reading with,
Okay.
thought to inform you, so we took that liberty of asking
Look.
for court master to inform you.
My lord. I'm obliged, my lord. Otherwise, I would have missed.
You would have missed it,
Look.
therefore, one has to be practical.
True, my lord. The next page is the order, my lord. They have considered and they said that cannot be considered in the light of the OM. There is no.
So, subject to his right to challenge this order, now contempt would not survive.
Poor lady, she will have to come for the fourth time of litigation, Lord.
What can be done? It's the decision.
But
This is only contempt. We are not verifying it on merit. Mr. T. Nath, learned counsel appearing for learned senior government advocate Assam, has placed on record the communication dated 15/12/2022, along with the decision taken by the petitioner, by the respondent authority pursuant to the order passed by this court dated so and so and so and so. This is taken on record. We find that the order is complied with, and so, and hence the present proceedings are dropped. With a liberty to the petitioner to challenge the same in accordance with law. To challenge the order dated 6/12/2022 in accordance with law. Next.
Item number 32 and 33.
Lordship, in Act 32, there is a delay of 5 days.
You are for the respondent?
Yes, my lord, we have received the IA, the copy of the IA today without the copy of the main petition.
Delay condone. Next.
Nothing.
To be listed for admission. On
As per their convenience,
Yeah.
because outside.
on 24th of January, Mr. S.T. Kyle, London Town, Central Government Council shall show copy of the paper book upon the London Council appearing for the open.
Got
In both the matters, separate order. Next,
Item number 34.
notice returnable. After 4 weeks. Out by registered postage.
delay of 58 days in this matter.
We have issued notice. Next,
Item number 35.
here, your lordship, on last occasion, your lordship has directed us to file written submission, your lordship. Both the sides probably submitted written submission. I am for a respondent, your lordship, private respondent.
now Mr. Board Thakur to write a judgment, I don't have time. That's the only thing. We'll anyhow find time at.
Lord.
We'll only counsel appearing for the parties. Submitted the written submission. In view of the argument, Lord. The matter. Same shall be considered as the basis of their argument. For order.
Your submission, you have also submitted.
Lordship, I have also submitted.
You have the respondent.
As for private respondents, your lordship,
I
4, 5.
No, Jayanta Deka's submissions are there.
Lord, I have also filed your lordship, along with the judgment, your lordship.
Okay, Pastor. Yeah,
Lord.
we'll try to find out anyhow time. When we had promised you, we should not.
Deep job. Deep.
Next.
Item number 42 and 43.
This will be some other date. 30th of January. Next.
Item number 44.
Also,
Letter number 46.
May appear your lordship. Lordship, in this case, lordship, the counsel of this petition is lordship on lag, lordship at court number 12. Kindly adjourn for the time being, lord.
You want
Lord-
adjournment?
Yes, lordship. For the time being, lordship, will come.
Lordship, I have received instruction, Lordship, but it's little voluminous, Lordship. I could not go through this. So can it be taken up on Monday, Lordship?
Then in January. Next,
Deeply obliged.
the request of Ms. Bhattacharya. Next,
Letter number 47 and 48.
yes, Mr. Nag,
Well, the two connected appeals are there. One is filed by the state and the other by the private party.
let it come now. Not some other thing. It will not be over. The longest matter. Next. Next. तो 2 बजे जो नहीं आए तो बुला लें। You want me to include anything else?
But at this stage, no, my lord.
No.
Otherwise, my lord, I have seen and on 2-3 aspects, my lord, we have to take the status report
No, no.
of the implementation.
We will go as per, yes, this will be today's order.
Logic.
So we'll go as per this report and the status.
Logic.
We presume that it exists as on today.
Logic.
Then we will revise it on second.
On the fifth point, my lord,
Hmm.
the welfare of the female inmates and arrangement of for a gynecologist must be provided in all jails.
Hmm.
Lord, we have already written to the respective joint.
You don't worry about it.
Logic.
We'll carve out in such a manner that it can be done phase wise also.
Logic. This we have already done.
But in
And-
case of overture, my lord,
Uh,
section will be the para 4 and the agreement for the planning method that has already been signed. So it's not fair, it's exactly the
one second.
para 4. MOU is already signed on 25 December.
Okay.
That correction, my lord.
Now we'll incorporate in the order.
Will give this copy to me.
No, I have to draft the order.
Yes, and my lord, in respect of the third point, for the committee to be proposed committee to be constituted by the honorable court, sir, we have proposed 2 names. The communication of 1st of December, we have already.
Nah, you may do as per your choice.
Look,
We want only, our one member is already there. Member secretary
Member
will be there, other 2 will be at the discretion of the government.
my lord, we have proposed the names, place it before your lordship, lordship may incorporate that.
I will incorporate.
Lordship, we have already given that on 1st of December 2022, we have.
You do one thing,
Lordship.
I request you will get the draft order on Monday.
Lordship,
So before we sign, I want all 5 of you to have a look at that.
my lord. True,
So nothing extra is there in the order.
my lord.
Because once we sit dictating the order, something might be added. This was because these are not adversary litigation.
Correct, my lord.
So I'll keep the order, draft order
Okay.
ready, and I'm keeping the matter on 2nd of January.
My lord, my lord.
Then we'll adjourn it to your convenient date on 2nd. With whatever little addition is to be made on 2nd, then this will, on that day, we will provide that this may be listed every fortnight.
Lordship. Lordship. That will be appropriate.
We'll work out something.
Yes.
So the court can have an overall look at it.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Follow up.
Letter number 30.
Deeply.
Which will be adjourned to 2nd of, that you have not to type the order. So इसका ऑर्डर हम लिखेंगे उसमें लिख दे इसमें स्लीप लगा देना ये कौन सा है
May I please lordship? But this is an delay condition application lordship, delay of 2,417 days. Okay. And last time we have take steps upon the respondent lordship,
so respondent is not served
not served lordship.
then you give come with a substituted service otherwise this will never be solved.
Lordship.
You'll-
Lordship, there is every likelihood of compromise if the respondent comes to court lordship. That's why
I understand but
lordship,
you will have to serve them.
lordship.
Will you be able to spend on newspaper?
Okay, lord.
You will do it,
We will.
or you will take justice.
Lordship, newspaper may be right. Option lord.
The respondent is not being served in long. Press notice to respondent is out to by publishing an advertisement in the local newspaper having circulation in the area. Okay, concerned. First notice be made returnable on 30th of January 2022. Next,
Deeply obliged. Lordship.
Number 44.
yes, Mr. Dubey.
My lord, this time my friend has been stuck in other court, my lord. Mr. Goswami has informed me. He has some part of matter.
You want an adjournment?
Yes, lord, if your lord, you can accept it.
By attorney.
The population, population of the jail. Lordship wanted to have the data. I have received, but interpreted the order.
What is the position today?
In some of the states, the state over percentage. Percentage. is given.
Oh,
Particularly in central jail Guwahati, this is 140, 149.
in Barpeta it is 194.
194 district jail Nalbari is too much. No?
Supri is the highest.
Dhubri, Nalbari, they are having the highest. No? Karimganj also 252.
This we will keep it on second.
It has to be looked into. One.
No, we'll look into. But on second, we'll discuss and pass some more.
Yes,
Because this will require a strong,
long deliberation.
we'll keep it in the file.
My lord.
The file may